Welcome back to Western New York Weather. So today we're going to do our daily outlook. So we got some clouds in the sky, maybe a bit of chance of rain in some of these areas. If we go to satellite view, like it's cloudy. It could be, better chances of rain, but it's very unlikely. Just spotted clouds. We got some clouds. We got some tropical storm Debby down here. If we look at to our Buffalo Weather Office, we got a hazardous outlook. We got some flood watches down in Pennsylvania. It could be issued up here near Buffalo. That is possible. We got some beach hazard statements. If we put that over here, this is for Cleveland, so nothing to worry about. So with the hazardous outlooks, we see remnants of tropical storm Debby could potential have a big hydrological impact to tropical storm from for us. There is it's uncertain what's gonna happen, but there's the potential amount of several inches. Not several inches of rain is a lot more than lake effect snow. Lake effect snow is like 20 to 1. 20 inches of lake effect snow is usually a little more closer to 1 inch of rain. And synoptic snow is around 10 inches to 1 inch of rain. So we're in a marginal here for now, but that could be upgraded. This is a moderate already issued for Friday. This light even they don't have enhanced, but that moderate could be expanded more east or more west, depending on the placement of the rain. So I think I think a slight risk could be issued, and moderate risk for there is moderate risk for in the Buffalo office. So overview: tropical storm Debby bring up moisture and potential rainfall Thursday night into Friday night. Rainfall near the Finger Lakes and just central and northern New York. You're gonna see this rain mostly. Torrential downpour trying to repeat over same areas, causing very localized amounts, 2 to 4 inches locally higher amounts. So this is be like lake effect snow is very localized. This is something like it with this also happens with tropical storms. They go over the same area with the if a storm is moving slow, it goes out over the same area and just dumps inches of rain on one place. In places, there's a lot of rain in one place would lead to flash floods and a flooding risk. Exact rainfall in the heaviest rainfalls are going to be uncertain, but they're thinking in this central and northern New York. But there could be a shift to the east. It could shift to the west. It really depends on how the wind blows and what models say. But a sharp east to west gradient in the rainfall with expected confidence of potential river flooding rains low. There's also not a lot of rivers. I mean, there's some, but there's the Finger Lakes. Yeah, I mean, got some rivers, but it's not as it's not a river dense area. Um, Mainly dry weather Saturday. Lake effect rain and showers are possible. Produce localized heavy rain amounts downwards of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario Sunday into Monday. So we're getting that time where lake effect rain is a factor now. Rain. So yeah, this also agrees here. Looking at the models, start with GFS. GFS does say it's gonna be a more closer to central, near Oswego, near Watertown, thunderstorms, rain. You can see that lake effect rain too. We just sitting there could produce lots of some localized rain amounts. Got a tropical system just there. I didn't see that coming. Euro model. Let's see. Euro model has not some heavier rain near Buffalo though too, so that's where probably one of the reasons why we're in the marginal. But that could change to another system. Wow, models saying there's gonna be a system at 240 hours. I won't trust it though. Looking at here on the CMC or the Canadian model, heavier rain near central and northern New York as previously predicted, but a lot lighter rain. Even some places not even getting some showers at all. With some of these model outlooks with tropical storm Debby, and there's not a lot of lake. I mean, yeah, there's CMC doesn't show a lot of lake effect as did GFS. Looking at icon saying this is a slow mover here. Icon has this going north and going just east of us. I think Icon does a good job showing. And it's also a model run in progress. And yeah. Oh, if we look at let's see this national charts, tropical storm Debby here, producing heavy rain. Get some rain. Some rain in the forecast. Yeah, we're in the heavy rain day 3 here. And flash flood possible. We're close, but you can see the occluded front coming in and the tropical storm Debby coming this way. I really thought there'd be a risk for severe weather. Checking storm prediction center before the video, nothing. Looking at the rainfall totals, not a lot. Then if we look at day 2, some of these places are getting 3 to 4 inches. Some of these yellow spikes, 5, 7. There's a little yellow, orange to yellow spike here, 10 to 15. I don't know. These are from the actual NOAA Weather Center. So that's possible. And we're looking at, say, 1.25 inches of rain. But if you just go a little bit east, like even an hour east, you could see you're getting like 2 inches plus. Yeah. And now rain on day 3. So it's about 1/10 of an inch, even 0.1 of an inch. So this is the 72-hour outlook. Heavier rain, but we're looking at about the similar amounts, around that 1.25 inch totals. And let's see here. The day 4 and 5 only a little bit isolated rain. Day 3 through 7 hazards. We have this flash flooding potential, flooding possible, and high winds, risk and flooding. This could be watched for because of tropical storm Debby doing multiple impacts, and we got a hazard heat. The heat's coming back, guys. Is this for the south? If we look at here, it's moderate risk. They issued a moderate risk down here, and there's a rapid on-site drought and slight risk of heat. And there's a flooding possible, and that's actually not too far away from us. Still, like Rochester is about an hour away from Buffalo, and that is in that flooding possible tagged area, highlighted area. Climate Prediction Center. We get the probabilistics. Temperature. Heat's gonna build back up. No precipitation or snow hazards or wind. the heat is coming back. There's probably going to be a high rate right around where you see that's above average, around this 80-90%. We're still in that near normal. Some of upstate still slightly above, around that 30 to 40%. There's a below average in Pennsylvania, near Baltimore, near DC area. See a little bit below and around there. It's providing near normal conditions around that 25% either below or above. I'm saying above normal temperatures, just slightly above. Near normal, maybe a little bit above near the Pennsylvania line. You can't take these maps as like, oh, we're not in this green, so we're not gonna have above it. That's not true. You're in the below, oh, it's gonna be a drought. No, it's like even if you're outside, you still could see these conditions. Like for the cone of uncertainty, the NHC places, oh, you might feel impacts even though you're not in the cone. It's possible. And then they're playing another heat. If it grows to into the Buffalo region, I will cover it. But I'm just telling you, there's gonna be high temperatures, upper 90s for these areas near Dallas, Midland, Corpus Christi, New Orleans. Yeah. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, put it down below in the video comments. I'd like to hear suggestions or whatever. I'm fine with everything. I can even, if you want me to cover other places' weather, I'm down with that. But I'd rather keep this channel mostly about Western New York weather. Maybe a little bit talking about uh, about that. Also, if you want me to keep continuing on like a historic video about the like an outbreak video or like a lake effect video, that'd be cool to do. Like a lake effect video saying this is what happened, this was the conditions, the and what happened and what created these conditions. And I will probably read out the Buffalo's office's out how they do like a 5-star event, 4-star. They have like snowflakes and stars. They do that. It'd be cool to like react to or like put it in a video once I do like a lake effect snow video. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and goodbye.